Keep petting her.
Maybe she has a sore on her thigh.
That's what I was wondering.
She did have fleas.
That was the other side.
That cat's cool any other time, but between her and its food.
What is wrong with you?
She's gonna turn around like attack you.
It's like a squeak toy.
Just a vicious little cat.
Give the cat away.
Is that bird growling?